team of workers. Into explanation. All the body parts stand together. Mouth, hands, feet, eyes, ears, nose, belly and brain. All the body parts have their work to do. Hands lift and carry, give and take, push and pull. Feet can walk, run, tap, dance, skip, jump, hop, step forwards, turn around, stop just in time. Eyes open, close, read, blink, and see the things far and near. Ears hear every sound. Nose breathe day and night. It can never take rest. It smells good or bad or best. Mouth open and shut and smile. It speaks, eats, drink, sip, slurp, chew and bite. But it doesn't get any. It goes to the belly. All the parts of the body say that belly is lazy. It doesn't have any work. Belly tries to tell them, but they don't listen. Belly requests again and again, but they don't listen. Belly again requested them to give him something to eat, but they don't give him anything. After 2 days, hands, feet felt very weak. Mouth was also dry. Eyes weren't able to see properly. They were all worried. Then the brain enters and calls them silly fellows and tells them that food only gives you energy. Belly works on food to give you energy. Brain also tells them that belly digests foods and sends energy to all parts of the body. Then all the body parts came to know that belly does an important work. All the body parts are always at work.